Goa Forest Department is celebrating the third Bird Festival of Goa at Valpoi and Surla in Sattiri Taluka. So inauguration function was held today on 17th of January, and Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant was our chief guest. This festival actually aims at enhancing the knowledge and awareness on the wildlife in general and birds in particular, because Goa is also known as paradise of birds, and more than 450 species of birds which is available in Goa. So we want to promote this natural heritage of Goa as well, because generally Goa is seen as a state where tourism is flourishing in the coastal area, but we want to showcase that yes, the natural treasure is there inside the hinterland part of the state also. So with that mandate, we have invited participants from all over country and world, and we have got a very good response this time, and almost 100 and more than that delegates have registered with us and who have come for this 3-day festival. We are having very good bird diversity in Goa.
Bird festival we are celebrating. The first one was held in Gondla Wildlife Sanctuary, second one was in Kotigau, and third we are celebrating at Valpoi. So as you know, the main aim of this bird festival is to promote and create awareness among the young students and public regarding the importance of bird and its diversity and their habitat.